we are at the Fashion Museum of Riga, and this is one of our favorite spots in Latvia, in the city of Riga. We come here every time we come to this city because every half year they change the exhibition. Today it's Art Deco. Okay, so we are here at the Fashion Museum Cafe, which is beautiful atmosphere, soft chairs, comfortable chairs, good coffee, and also these things. These are Choco Pops, I guess, and let's try them.
Lollipop cake, I think it's called something like that.
Yeah, I don't know the name, but
Lollipop. Pop cake, yeah.
it's got the taste of like really nice chocolate cake inside. It's a little bit hard shell, but it has to be, needs to keep it. And it's just a very nice place. You feel like you have returned to the jazz age when you're sitting in the Fashion Museum Cafe. Definitely one of our favorite places in Riga. Now to Lido, and Lido is a chain of restaurants which serves traditional Latvian cuisine. Now there's a lot of Lidos in Riga, but our friends have taken us to the big Lido.
Yeah.
So this is the big Lido, and we're gonna go inside, see what's happening. go.
So how much
Everything.
you pay for this?
25 euro.
Wow, for two people, right?
Yeah.
And
So
what is this?
we
Two
have
pancakes.
pancakes,
Okay.
cabbage, meat and potatoes, and these potatoes, they're very important. They're like, you cannot go to Lido and not eat these potatoes. They're like the most important thing in Riga. We have string beans, more potatoes,
More meat
more meat,
and
and
salad.
yeah, I don't know what this is, but I need to try it.
Okay. Let's
So
try.
I'm going to leave this table 10 kilos heavier. Okay, so that is Lido, and we are here in front. Where you can recognize them by their windmill. That is a good place to eat traditional Lithuanian food, and also
Latvian.
it's a good place to
Latvian.
eat traditional
I think we Latvians to kill us.
angry Latvian noises.
Latvian food.
Yeah.
Don't make this mistake, guys.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, it's like okay, we angered the Latvians. Also, there is animals, and you can go and pet the animals in the zoo. There is a petting zoo,
Yeah.
and funny
Yeah.
flowers, creepy penguins. It's just a very fun place to spend time with family. This is the big Lido.
And they have lots of little Lidos in around the city. So yeah, they are also very cute and worth to visit.
Okay,
And
then.
this, if you like to eat really traditional Latvian food and affordable, you need to visit Lido. Yeah.
Okay. So, bye bye. Okay, so this is Valmi Murža. This is a very interesting tap house here in Riga, Latvia, and it's probably the first place where we came to drink craft beer in Latvia last year. Now this year we have come back and we're enjoying some of their wonderful brews, and also I will fight anyone who dispute this. They make the best graudzini, the best garlic bread I have had in the Baltic states. Doesn't matter if it's Latvia, doesn't matter if it's Lithuania. It's the best in Valmija Murža. So head on down, beautiful place, friendly people. Good beer, phenomenal beer.
Yeah. Cheers.